Pagdating sa mga Mexican food, isa pa din ang Mexicali sa mga binabalik-balikan ko. Grabe, super tagal na nito and I'm just glad that they're still in the biz. And the good news is, kasali din sila sa Eatigo. We book a 1:30 PM slot sa SM Mega Mall, yun kasi yung naka 50 off. If you're vegan or trying to remove meat from your diet, Mexicali got you covered. Ito yung constant order namin dito sa Mexicali, yung burrito nila. Ito yung side-by-side comparison ng regular size and California size. I got the grilled chicken California size burrito and grabe, sobrang busog. Each order of burrito comes with nacho chips and salsa. Sobrang malasa yung chicken nitong grilled chicken burrito. Similar yung lasa sa lechong manok. Sobrang winner yung garlic sauce nila. I just wish na ibalik nila yung squeeze bottle para mas madali paliguan yung burrito ng sauce. Grilled steak burrito naman para sa son ko, which he loved. Ang laki nitong California size nila, pwede siyang good for 2. We also ordered this cheese garlic quesadillas. It comes with cream cheese dip, salsa, and guacamole. This is my kid's favorite here in Mexicali. Ganito ko siya kinakain, kinocombine ko lahat ng sauces na kasama, and yum! And para may greens naman, we ordered their Mexican ground beef salad. This is your typical tacos with ground beef, sour cream, cheese, salsa, but with lettuce. Masarap siya, na-enjoy namin ng daddy. A little pricey, but when you book through Eatigo, makaka-discount ka naman. Yummy pa rin sa Mexicali, worth it balik-balikan.